Hello! So today Mom and I are tip number 2 of secrets of getting organized. We have a whole ebooks. I'm getting my courses and ebooks all mixed up. I have a whole ebook set on how to organize and clean your house. Go check it out. It's in the description below. And we're also the authors of the Dining on a Dime Cookbook, which has a whole section on cleaning recipes, how to make your own homemade cleaners, and tips on how to
clean the bathroom, how to clean the kitchen, that type of thing.
Those are in the description below, so please click down there and check them out. Today is tip number 2. Stop making a mess. I'm horrible. I'm guilty of this. I'm
not even going there.
I'm guilty.
I'm her mother. I'm not going to say a word. But, you know, a lot of times we make more work for ourselves. Yeah. If you got a sticky, gooey spoon, don't lay it while you're using it 4 places on the counter, because now you've got a counter to clean up besides the sticky spoon. You know, get a spoon rest.
Or use a can that you used from dinner.
Yeah, something like that. Or, you know, you're taking a wrapper off of something and it's all gooky and you just flop it on the counter. No, take that wrapper immediately and put it in the trash. You're saving yourself time and energy, because if you'd laid it on the counter then you come back later, you got to peel it off the counter, put it in the trash still, but then you've got to get the dish rag out and scrub it. So that's...
Next, keep a trash can in every single room, and in some rooms keep 2.
Yes.
This is my huge tip. I use the trash can in every single room, every single day, multiple times.
If you have a couch in a family room where everybody sits and they drink and eat their snacks, you keep a trash can right by that couch, because otherwise it's going to be all over the coffee table or end table. This way they can just throw it right into the trash.
And line that trash can with a trash bag.
Yes. So you don't... I never clean my trash cans. It's terrible. I never do, but there's nothing dirty in them.
Line them. Yes. Because I use the little Walmart sacks for our small ones. I use just regular kitchen trash bags, and here's how I do it. I line all my trash cans. The office, we have 2 in the office, 1 in our bedroom, and what I will do is I will pick the one that's the most full if I just happen to notice, or just pick up one. And then usually in the office, we just have paper stuff. So I'll just grab the stuff out of the trash or turn it over in there and leave the bag in there for a time or 2. And after about 2 or 3 emptyings, then I put in a new trash bag. But don't...
And that's a way to save on.
Yeah. And guys, my office is right next to my bathroom, but my bathroom trash can is pretty small. So if I see an empty shampoo bottle, I throw it in the office trash can.
Because it holds more.
If I'm not... It holds more. It's okay to throw the trash in a different trash can than the room it's in. And a lot of times, like, I cleaned out my underwear drawer. This is a little TMI. And got rid of all the stretchy underwear that wasn't, you know, so attractive anymore. So I didn't have enough room in my bedroom trash can. So I just put it all in a sack that I happened to have, was going to throw it away. And as I was going, I kept finding pieces and putting it in. And by the time I got from my bedroom closet out to the kitchen to throw it away, the whole entire sack was completely full, and I just threw it away.
Yeah. And while you're in that closet or in the bedroom with your clothes, keep your hamper right there where you change your clothes. Don't dump clothes on the... This is another one of not to stop making messes. Don't lay your clothes on the floor. Hang them up or put them in the hamper, because why drop them there and have to go back at another time? Half the time they get wrinkled, so then you need to be ironed. You can wear a lot of this stuff over again, but you can't because it's wrinkled on the floor. Or a lot of people do this. They just drop their clothes on the floor, even though they're perfectly clean to wear again, but they think it's easier in their mind for some reason to rewash the whole thing.
Oh, that drives me crazy.
I know. Instead of hanging the item up, it's easier to hang the item up, rewear it again instead of just throwing it in the laundry. And the kids are really bad about doing this.
And if the kids throw clean clothes in the dirty laundry, I just set them to the side. They refold them and take them back down to their bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually the laundry is not so stinky that a fresh shirt or pants or whatever is going to be smelly. I smell it, make sure it's okay.
Yeah, if it's that stinky that needs to be washed, you know.
We wash it.
Yeah, you can. But, you know, keep the hamper by... I was changing my clothes, and I was getting tempted to start laying my clothes down and doing this, and I noticed, Why don't I move the hamper right there where I change the clothes instead of having it all the way across the room? So think of things like this. Okay, I'm dropping my clothes over here, but the hamper's over there.
If you have room in your bathroom and that's where everybody dumps their clothes, move your hamper to the bathroom. If that will work easier. So.
Or even though, that's another thing. Get dressed in the bedroom. Don't change your clothes in the bathroom. Wear a bathrobe into there because then the bathroom gets piled up with messes, and that's making another type of mess. So
that's our step number 2. Stop making a mess for yourself.
Yes.
Check out our How to Get Organized and Clean Your House ebook set at livingonadime.com, and also our Dining on a Dime cookbook. So we will guys see you next time for number 3 on how to get organized.
Bye-bye.